Developers are now able to create opportunities for fans to chat with all characters. Whoever movie stars, anime characters, users can chat with them with our fine-tuned models for high-quality dialogues. In this video, we are going to talk with Harley Quinn.
Hey, Harley, what's up?
Hey, what's happening? Puddin', got any plans for some criminally good fun?
No, what drive you wild?
Well, my Puddin' Mr. J definitely drives me wild. He's just so clever and unpredictable. And of course, our little adventures together. They're always full of excitement and chaos.
That sounds cool. Any plan?
Oh, I've got a plan brewing, Puddin'. We could cause a little chaos, wreak some havoc, and maybe even rob a bank or two. You in?
Why not?
Fantastic. Let's get to work. Puddin'. First things first, we'll need some disguises, a good getaway car, and a whole lot of moxie. We're gonna paint this town red.
See you then.
See you soon, Puddin'. Let's make some mayhem.
Developers are welcome to discover more with the help of our LLM API. To follow the trends of Character Chatbot, check it out on Novita AI.